It is time for a special philanthropy edition of Movers and Shakers. Warren Buffett has persuaded a who's who of billionaires to pledge more than half their wealth to charity. Buffett has a fortune valued at about $47 billion, and he has promised to give away more than 99% of it. Most is going to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Others joining the so-called giving pledge include Oracle's Larry Ellison, former Citigroup chairman Sandy Weil, Blackstone's Pete Peterson, he is of the Peterson Foundation, Revlon chairman Ron Perlman, and New York Mayor Michael Bloomberg, the majority owner, of course, of Bloomberg LP. Now, Buffett says that in June he contacted 70 to 80 of the world's richest people and asked them to make this pledge. 40 of those said yes. So who hasn't joined the program? A fair question. Well, a number of billionaires who, to be fair, already are committed philanthropists. They're just not doing the giving pledge. How about Blackstone's Stephen Schwarzman, investor Carl Icahn, and hedge fund legend George Soros?